Alpha team is clear.
Copy that. Commencing with bombing.
Shit, we're trapped. What the hell do we do now? I don't know.
HQ to Alpha. You can get out on the 3rd floor. There's a balcony on the west side of the building. Get moving. Alpha team, get out of there now. Preparations to bomb the building are complete. Plans have been scrambled.
We don't want to be here when those birds show up. Started bombing. It's not personal. You know the mission takes priority. This building isn't gonna last long. The place is falling apart. Captain, I think we can get around it.